Video, we're in Big Ben here, and this is our cottage room. Here's the light. I have to get that bulb out because it's not a dimmable. Here's low. That one is not a dimmable bulb, so I'm gonna have to take it out. Here's low. This one blade here is warped, but I have to use it to give it a spin. Now, it's on one of these controls.
The girl in the store remembered us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So did that guy that did cruise lines.
Yeah, he remembered Jacob. He saw Jacob first. He remembered us, the girl at the store with him.
Oh, from August.
Yeah. He said, haven't y'all been here before? And I said, oh, yeah. We come at least twice a year.
3 times a year from now on. Alright then, here's high. I don't know the brand of this fan, it's pretty generic. So, if anybody would know the brand or where it was sold or who made it or whatever, please let me know. It does look a bit dated too. And another thing, it's broken. Right here. Pull chain switch is broken. Well, does that thing even work? Yeah, it works. I'm gonna have to take that bulb out though because it's not capable of dimming. I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching.
Good time, don't bother me more.
Alright, stop filming, camera. Stop filming. Stop filming.